This super easy Chinese barbecue pork with egg and rice was my favorite cheat meal during my 20 kg weight loss. I will be using the pork scotch fillet for this dish, ideally not too thick pieces. For the marination, we will add brown sugar, Chinese 5-spice mix, soy sauce, Hoisin sauce. The sauce was too thick, so I had to try a different method. Oyster sauce, honey, and bit of sesame oil. Then mix well. While mixing, I remembered that I didn't add pepper, so I'm doing it right now. Mix everything well until everything is combined. Separate 2 spoonfuls of marination for glazing later. Add the pork into separate sealer bags and then add the marination. Mix everything very well. I know you will not like what I'm about to say next, but please leave it for at least 1 hour. Place the marinated pork in foil and wrap each piece individually. Now we are gonna put this in the oven at 300 degree Fahrenheit or 150 degree Celsius for 1 hour. For the glazing, add a splash of water to the marination and a spoonful of honey and mix well. Pork is looking amazing and smells delicious after 1 hour. Now glaze both sides of the pork with the marination and put it in the air fryer for 5 minutes at 180 degrees and repeat the process 3 times. Then your pork will be ready. It's time to plate. Always serve with fried egg, rice and spring onion. Enjoy!